Welcome to this next video where we will talk about pawn endgames. They're very important and one of the trickiest endgames which many beginners or intermediate players can mess up. So now we're just going to go through the basics and how to win from these positions. As you can see on the screen, it's very easy to make a draw happen in these positions. However, these are winning for white. So the first thing is usually you want to always keep your king in front. As you can see in the first two images, here and here, there's just your kings in front, and here you'd want to put your king in front. We will go through these examples soon. Now I'll go step by step showing how to win these endgames. So this is simple. If your king is ever in this position, I like to call it the 2x2, where the king is all aligned and 2 squares difference. You just have to move your pawn. And their king will have to go either there or there. So now there, and then you just put your king always on one of these squares. So if he had gone here, then you'd go here. And then so obviously now this is a different way. So then you just keep on pushing. That's one way. And then you have to just checkmate. And as shown before, you just have to checkmate with your queen, and then you move it. Now this one, it's different, but you just have to go anywhere. It's basically given to you, and then you push it here. What you don't want to do is this. Even though it is winning, usually the opponent would go down here, and it'd make more things complicated. So just if he goes here, then you push down and you get the 3 once again. When using your queen, you would mate your opponent like so. So with this position, you want to get your king ahead. So you just start doing this. You just want to get your king ahead. Don't worry about the pawn. So as I said, when it's a 2x2x2, 2x2x2, then you push your pawn. Just get the side. Even if he had gone this side, I would have gone here. So he went that side, so I go there. Then he goes there. Then now you still just want to have your king in front. You just keep on having your king. Just take up all the space. Still use your king. Then now you can start using your pawn. Still, and then you just get the space and you get next. And using your queen again, you mate. Next example, you once again just use your king. No need to. Now this is called winning the opposition. So in here you do not do this. That's a draw. So by doing this, you're winning opposition, so the king will have to move in one of these places. So you will win one of these 3 squares. See, you keep on, just use your king. Then once you have this 4's difference from your pawn, you can just start pushing your pawn, and then usually don't, sorry, I did a mistake here. But if it's like this, you're still winning, do not worry, you just push it back. Push your pawn, take opposition. As I said, this is taking opposition, because the king will be forced to move away, and then you will win one of these 3 squares. And then you just promote again. Using your queen, you want to bring him to the corner. Like so, then this is checkmate. And then last example. This might be a little tricky, but once again, use your king. Just want to bring it ahead. And then if the king is moving away like this, you can just move your pawn. Move your king to the side. Usually you wouldn't want to move it here, because then you're losing your pawn. So that's a draw. So here, you push, and you can just push now, because he's very far away. And then, yeah, this is how you mate. So with pawn endgames, I advise just taking opposition. Like I've shown in other examples, but I'll just try and find another example of trying to take opposition. Yeah, so now, by going here, you will win one of these 3 squares, regardless. So just always take opposition. That's how you do pawn endgames. Thank you.